In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove quantity in Shopify. While it's not possible to remove the product quantity entirely, since you must assign a stock number to sell products, you can remove the quantity selector box from your product page. This is especially useful if you're selling large or unique items that customers typically purchase one at a time and you want to keep your product page layout clean and simple. To begin, head over to your Shopify homepage. On the left-hand menu, click on Online Store. This will take you to your themes page. Scroll down and in front of your current theme, you'll see the Customize option. Click on it. Once inside the theme editor, click on the drop-down menu at the top of the screen and choose Products. Then select any product. On the Product Editing page, locate the Quantity Selector box. Click on it to open its settings. You'll notice a trash bin icon. Click this to remove the box entirely. After that, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. Now open your store in a new tab and refresh the product page. As you can see, the quantity box is now removed. If a customer wants to purchase more than one of the item, they can still click Add to Cart multiple times.